Thank you for joining us for this week's episode of Mimaki Master Studio. Today, we'll be creating a reflective graphic using the Mimaki UCJV 300 series printer. For this application, we'll be using Mimaki LUS 170 inks on high-intensity reflective. We'll start by creating our design. Next, we'll create a path around all of the artwork to serve as our half-cut line. Then, using Rasterlink tools, we can quickly register the paths as cut lines. Once we've prepared our artwork as desired, we're ready to load the file in our Rasterlink software. With a few simple clicks, our print and cut is ready to send to the UCJV. The UCJV performs all the functions automatically. LUS 170 inks cure instantly, enabling immediate delivery. Reflective graphics are commonly used for partial vehicle graphics, road signs, and safety markings with high visibility. For more information on the UCJV 300 series and detailed application guides, visit mimakiusa.com. And be sure to follow us on social media. Join us next time for Mimaki Master Studio.